Hey fellow traders, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys exactly how I'm able to calculate my profits and my loss in currency value. Yes, I'm going to show you exactly how to know how much you're losing in actual currency amounts and how much profits you're able to take home. That is with your stop loss and with your take profits. And in this video, I was actually in a gold trade, so I'm going to be using that, showing you guys and calculating with you guys exactly how much I was able to make and how much was the potential amount of money that I'm looking to take home at the end of the day or at the end of the trade, and also how much I was willing to lose with my stop loss. So if this is something you're interested in, definitely go ahead and hit the subscribe button down below, turn on your post notifications so you never ever miss out on any of my free educational content here on YouTube. And also go ahead and give this video a huge thumbs up. That's the least you can do for me after so many hours of sitting down to edit this video. So, but that aside, giving this video a thumbs up is also going to show YouTube that this video is valuable and they should be sharing it with other traders or beginner traders that are going to need this video. So let's quickly hop onto the charts and see what we are working with. So because trading is basically a game of probability, you have to master the art of remaining neutral in the markets. And as humans, you can't completely get rid of your emotions, but you need to find set rules and regulations to help you master them and keep them in check. Now, when it comes to trading, we are supposed to be trading what we see and not what we feel. This exercise is just to prove to you how much you will be gaining if you are able to hold on to your emotions and stay in the trade until it's able to bag your full profits. We're going to be looking at three major things, including your entry price, your stop loss, take profit, and your lot size. Your lot size will also be determined by your account balance, your risk percent, which is usually 1 to 2%, your stop loss in pips, and the currency pair that you're trading. But you can quickly do this using apps such as my FX books, baby pips, FX calculator, etc. So now that you've determined the perfect lot size for this particular trade, you can now move on to finding out exactly how much you're going to be making or losing per trade. For context, your stop loss or SL is a predetermined amount you are willing to lose per trade, and that can simply be explained as some form of an instruction that you present to your either MT4 or MT5 application, where you say if the trade you are in gets to this particular point at this particular price value and my trade is in a particular loss percentage, I should be exited out of this trade. Some traders use your stop loss, others do not, but I would highly recommend a stop loss should be included in every single trade. Now the take profit is the exact opposite of the stop loss, where your take profit is the predetermined price where you are willing to exit the trade in profit. Now the rule of thumb for take profits is that it should be above 1:2 risk to reward. So that means 1:3, 1:4, 1:5. Anything above that is golden. But getting into a trade where you have a 1:1 risk to reward is not always advisable because that stunts your growth as a trader and makes it difficult for you to bag profits. I love to use the risk to reward tool on the TradingView website. If you haven't yet signed up for a TradingView website, I'm going to leave a direct link to TradingView in my description box down below to make accessing it much easier for you. And TradingView is just a free website you can use for your chart analysis. After 30 days of use, you would be required to purchase a premium package. But so far, so good. This is the one that I've been using for all my chart analysis. To determine how much money you're going to be making on the market, there is a laid down formula, which is money made equal lot size times 10 times the number of pips. So if you're calculating your stop loss in currency value, it's going to be stop loss is equal to your lot size times 10 times the number of pips of your stop loss. Alternatively, to calculate your profits, you're going to have profit is equal to lot size times 10 times the number of pips of your profit target. Looking at the chart, I missed my initial entry point, which was the sales on gold, and I just waited to see if the market was going to present me with another opportunity to re-enter this trade. So as you can see, I used my Fibonacci retracement tool to determine where price is going to turn back. And if you haven't yet watched a video on how to use the Fibonacci retracement tool, I'm going to leave it linked in the cards up above, or I'm also going to leave it in my description box down below. But yeah, there were a ton of confirmations here for me to enter this trade. I had my Asian highs covered. I also had my session highs covered, and I went ahead to identify a void on the 15 minutes, and then I just waited for price to get to that void. I got my entry and then I got into this trade. So as you can see, I placed my stop loss to cover my session highs to make sure that even if price moved above that, I'll still be in this trade. So my predetermined stop loss value was 64 pips exactly, and this was because I had to cover my voids and session highs, so 64 pips to me was a reasonable amount. And my final take profit value was 154 pips. So I was looking to get out of the market when the price got to 2042.16. As I'm filming this video, this particular gold trade is in real time, so I'm going to be using the 64 pips as my stop loss value, and price is currently running in a profit of about 83 pips. So I'm going to be using that to calculate my take profit so far. So I've already predetermined my lot size using the FX calculator, and I'm going to be using 5 lots overall for this trade. So in order to calculate how much I'm willing to lose per this trade, I'm going to have 5 times 10 times my stop loss value, which is 64 pips, and this is going to give us an overall loss of $3,200. And for my take profit currently, I'm gonna have 5 times 10 times 83 pips. I'm currently running in a profit of $4,150 per the single trade. So before, price hasn't fully hit my take profit yet, but once price hits my full TP, which was 154 pips, I would be making, if my calculation is right, $7,700 in this trade on my FOREXFUNDER one-step challenge account, and I'm already up about $4,000+, and I'm hoping to be able to secure enough profits to be able to pass this challenge before the end of this trade. And in this month of February, the FOREXFUNDER is offering up to 50% off all their funded accounts challenges and up to 150% refund on all challenges purchased. That just means they're going to give you exactly how much you spent to purchase the account plus 50% in addition. All this once you finally passed your challenge phase and you've become a funded trader with the FOREXFUNDER. And I think that's a super sweet deal if you ask me. So why not save some coin today and purchase an account or two while also saving some coin by using the link in my bio, and also go ahead and use this code during checkout. So there was an unexpected pullback in price to 2057.61. So at this particular point, as you can see, and I had further confirmation to re-enter this trade because there was a continuation from the third touch of my trend line. So I took another entry in this trade, and I was confident that price was going to hit my final TP. So even before price got to my full TP, I had already bagged over $10,000 per this particular trade. So I was able to complete my one-step challenge with this particular gold trade. So if you'd like to learn more about how to take trades like this, you can go ahead and join my Telegram community, send me an email or message me via Instagram. And I was really excited about this trade overall. This is one of the easiest trades that I've actually taken this year, and thank you guys so much for watching this video up to this point. But I do hope you guys were able to get some value from this video. Go ahead and give this video a huge thumbs up. Remember to subscribe to the channel, and I'll definitely see you in my next video next week. But until then,